Hey, how you doing? This is Donald Patton with D.P.Pressure Washing. I'm on my last job for the day. It's a big, beautiful white home. Needs to be cleaned. Got the driveway and the sidewalks. That nice setup over there. Look at that on the driveway. That's going to be gone. The entryway. Got all that. And then it's not that bad. Difficulty level is not hard at all. It's got some little mold on this side. You can't see it, but it's up underneath the lip. Let me get rid of that though. Got the rest of the house. This spot right here. I'm gonna have to work that. Have to do a little magic on that. And also I got the back pavers back here. I got all that. And then also I got the ball court. I'm about to do that right now. Got to cover this. And this side of the house. It's a pretty big job. I'm gonna make short work of it though. Give me a call. Donald Patton, D.P.Pressure Washing.